Hello students, today we will be doing the exercises of chapter 5, that is Nani walks to the park. Okay, so you can open page number 36. Open page number 36. You have to do question answer in your note copy and rest of the exercises you have to do in the book itself. You have to do question answer in your note copy and rest of the exercises you have to do in book itself. Okay? Exercise A. Match the correct lane to the reason for its name. Students, you have studied about different lanes. Nani had named different lanes with a reason for their names. So now you have to match the lanes with the reasons. Okay? First, lane of friendship. Why she had named lane of friendship? The reason is this is where Nani's old friend lives. This is where Nani's old friend lives. Second, lane of magic. Lane of magic. The reason is this lane is covered in flowers and looks like a magic carpet. Third, lane of treasures. It has the market where everything is sold. Fourth, lane of happiness. The reason is watching the cats and dogs drink milk here makes Nani happy. Watching the cats and dogs drink milk here makes Nani happy. Fifth, lane of mischief. The reason is this is where many children laugh, play, and have fun. Now we will do question answer. Exercise B. Answer these questions. Question number 1. I walk slowly. I take my time to get there. Why does Nani take a long time to the park? Is it only because she walks slowly? The answer is not only Nani walks slowly, but also she goes through different lanes. I repeat, not only Nani walks slowly, but also she goes through different lanes. Next question. Second, Nani stops and calls softly, "Come, come." Suddenly, dogs and cats tumble out from everywhere. Do you think this is Nani's first time here? How can you tell? The answer is no, this is not Nani's first time there, because the animals recognized Nani's voice when she said, "Come, come." I repeat, no, this is not Nani's first time there, because the animals recognized Nani's voice when she said, "Come, come." Next question. Third, why does Nani call the lane with the bookshops the lane of dreams? The answer is Nani calls the lane with bookshops the lane of dreams because books can take us to different places in our imagination. I repeat, Nani calls the lane with bookshops the lane of dreams because books can take us to different places in our imagination. Next question is fourth. Do you think Vikas had a good time on the walk? How can you tell? The answer is yes. Vikas had a good time on the walk because he enjoyed all the lanes. At the end, he asked Nani if he could come with her next week too. Exercise C and enjoying the story. You can do them yourself. Okay. Now we will do the exercises of page number 37. Students, in this page it's given about possessives with apostrophe S. Possessives with apostrophe S. Students, when do we use apostrophe S? We use apostrophe S after a noun or naming word to show that something belongs to someone. Okay? Now we will see the exercise. Exercise A. Look at the pictures in A. Read the names in B. Complete the sentences in C. In column A, there are pictures are given. In column B, naming words are given. And in column C, sentences are there. So you have to fill the blanks. Okay. First, it's given the picture of a ball. Okay, the naming word is Sarah. Sentence is, this is Sarah's ball. So we have to put apostrophe S to show that something belongs to someone. Okay, so this ball belongs to Sarah. Okay, so this is Sarah's ball. Next, shoes. Karan, these are Karan's shoes. Okay, this shoes belongs to Karan. The sentence is, these are Karan's shoes. Okay, you have to put apostrophe S to show the belongingness. Okay. Next, picture of a cat. The naming word is Amir. The sentence is, this is Amir's cat. Whose cat? This is Amir's cat. Okay. Next, books. The naming word is Sam. The sentence is, these are Sam's books. Okay, these books belong to Sam. Okay, so we have to put apostrophe S to show that these books belongs to Sam. These are Sam's books. Next, Ritu, and she's holding a doll. Ritu, naming word is Ritu, and the sentence is, this is Ritu's doll. Okay, this dog belongs to Ritu. So to show the possessiveness, we have to put apostrophe S. This is Ritu's doll. Next, pencils. Picture of pencils are there. Okay, so the naming word is Dina. Sentence is, these are Dina's pencils. Okay, these pencils belong to Dina. So to show the possessives, we have to put apostrophe S. These are Dina's pencils. Exercise B. Look at these pictures and complete these sentences. Use the words in brackets for help. Students, in this exercise B, also you have to do same thing. Words are given in the brackets. You have to use these words using apostrophe S. Okay, first, this is my cat's box. Second, this is a peacock's feather. Okay, you have to put apostrophe S after peacock. This is a peacock's feather. Third, this is a rabbit's burrow. I repeat, this is a rabbit's burrow. Okay. Fourth, this is my friend's house. This is my friend's house. After friend, there is a apostrophe S. Fifth, this is my brother's bag. Sixth, these are the farmer's cows. These are the farmer's cows. Students, in exercise C, it's given about possessive adjectives. Okay, students, we use words like my, your, his, her, a, their and its before a noun to show that the thing belongs to someone. These are possessive adjectives because they also precede and describe nouns or naming words. Okay, so we will see exercise C. Choose the correct word in the box to complete the answer. Words are their, her, his, my, your, a. So these words are used to show that something belongs to someone. Okay. First, is this Rena's bag? Yes, this is her bag. Second, does this shop belong to Jatin and Samir? Yes, this is their shop. Third, is that your eraser? No, this is not my eraser. Fourth, does this guitar belong to you and your sister? Yes, that's a guitar. Fifth, which is my notebook? Here, this is your notebook. Sixth, is that Guru's cycle? No, that's not his cycle. Now we will do the exercise of page number 40. Here it is given about names of places. We go to different places for different activities. Now you have to match the sentences with the correct places. Okay? Match the sentences with the correct places. Okay? First, we come here to watch football and cricket matches. Where do we go? We go to stadium. So you have to match with stadium. Okay. Second, my family and I come here on Sundays to buy things or watch films. Sometimes we eat here too. Right answer is mall. Okay. This is the place where people go to buy things and eat. Okay. Third, my family, friends and I live here. My school is also here. So you have to match with city. The answer is city. Fourth, I come here to read or borrow books. So where do you go to read books or borrow books? You go to library. Okay, so answer is library. Fifth, my family and I come here when we are sick. We see doctors and nurses here. So when you get sickness, so where do you go? You go to the hospital. Okay, so the answer is hospital. Okay, students, you have to do writing part yourselves. Okay, see the pictures and try to complete the paragraph. Okay, students, we have completed the exercises. Kindly learn them. Okay, thank you.